And let me share you the real story, which I get super excited whenever I imagine this story. So it was fourth year of my college, and when I started to play cricket in my college, the only challenge was that I wanted to do batting. So I used to love batting a lot. मुझे bowling नहीं करना है. So initially I started my career in cricket as a bowler. I wanted to become a batting all rounder. All right. So I could not get selected, and it was horrible for me. तो मैंने क्या किया? I took the bowling part of it. I was adapting to the situation. I thought कि जो भी opportunities मिल रहे हैं उसको ले लेते हैं. Let me get into the team. So I went into the team and started performing as a bowler. But eventually, once I realized that I can add more value as a batsman, my captain told that Kiran, I think you can switch your role. You can start playing as a middle order batsman. And that is where I started changing and took up a new role and started performing to it. And you know what is the best part of it? The changes which I made, it was not mine. The changes which I made was because the team required at that time. So we had multiple people who played in a multiple spectrum. It could be Bumrah of your team, or it could be Kohli, Virat, or or maybe Dhoni or Suresh Raina. So in our team there are multiple people. So I was like Suresh Raina. My wonderful good friend was like Virat Kohli. There was another friend who used to play like Mahendra Singh Dhoni. All helicopter shot he used to play. And we used to have another bowler who used to be like a Bumrah, right? You give 15-20 रन भी होगा तो बुमराह अगर आ गया तो भाई ऑपोजिशन की तो वॉट लग जाएगी. विल मेक श्योर यू कांट स्कोर, एंड दैट पर्सन यूज्ड टू बी आवर ट्रम्प कार्ड कि वी नो कि इवन इफ यू स्कोर लेस एज अ बैटिंग टीम वी विल स्टिल विन इट. एंड द अदर गाय हु यूज्ड टू बी लाइक इरफान पठान और आरपी सिंह, इफ यू हैव हर्ड दैट बॉलर, lefty all rounder, and all were like pinch hitters. And one good hitter who was like Yusuf Pathan was there. He was like our captain, and he was senior to us as well. Now, the moment we realized that we want to win the tournament, we pick each other's strengths and try to adapt and change our roles. It was not that I want to do bowling, so I want to do bowling. But if the team requires you to change your role, then you need to change it if you have a common mission. And the best output, I'll tell you, the last fourth year when we lost just with single one run, Akshat, who was like Virat Kohli to us, the final match when he played, that day was something so अनहोनी घटनाएं घटी थी कि उसके अंदर माता चढ़ गई थी. We used to tell कि some spirit has went out of it when opposition team was thinking that we will lose terribly because they did not score well. But Akshat played that innings, even he could not believe it that he played. जैसे ऑपोजिशन के मुंह से ना वो बोलते हैं जीभ निकल के देख रहा है वो क्या रहा है, कैसे हो सकता है ये. एंड ही वाज द ओनली बैट्समैन प्लेइंग अंटिल द एंड. लास्ट ओवर तक उसको बस 20 आई थिंक अराउंड 15 रन चाहिए था. 15 रन के लिए भी उसने लास्ट ओवर में एक छक्का मारा, चौका भी मारा. बस 1-2 बॉल में उसने मिस्ड आउट एंड वी लॉस्ट आउट ऑफ 1 रन. वी क्राइड अ लॉट. But that day, we realized the power of passion and power of team. It did not happen because Akshat was alone and he was a good player. Trust me, it did not happen. Because of the team, because of the complementing rainbow effect, something triggered out of his body which we never expected. He overshooted his own potential. And that is one dream which I picked out of that day. I realized you need to have a dream which can bring something so out of you which you can't believe right now that you have inside you. And that is only possible when you have a winning team. So these are the two important points help you to build a very strong foundation team. So first one I discussed about flexible to adaptable. So be flexible with your emotions and adaptable towards taking actions. Second is supportive to cooperative to collaborative. And this is where I discussed about a lot of examples and I shared my story as well.